All right, answer for step one. Answer is yes. Are you tell us about the format of your data? So what was step one? Um, here, select checking Chase Bank. Okay. And then hit continue. And from here, select yes on the first question, one column, format, leave it as it is. So what this step is actually asking you questions relevant to the file, right? I'll open the file. So this is the file, right, that we're uploading. So as you can see, we have headers, right? First column or first row are the headers. The date is month, date, and year. And then there's only one amount, which is the amount column. Okay. So you are now under step two, mapping the columns, right? So you only have three relevant columns there. The first column would be the date. Next column would be the description, which is the description for the transaction, and then the amount. The running balance is irrelevant. It's not being picked up by QuickBooks because there's no headers in QuickBooks that says running balance, okay? So there's not a map.
That's a sneak peek of our US bookkeeping episode. Want the full episode? Don't miss the full learning experience. This is just a glimpse of what you'll learn in our US bookkeeping, communication skills, and US taxation courses. Register for free to access the complete session, or take your learning further by enrolling in the full program. As an enrolled student, you'll gain access to premium lessons, exclusive learning resources, career development opportunities, and our internship program at no additional cost. Whether you're a beginner, career shifter, or aspiring global professional, this program is designed to help you build the skills and confidence needed to succeed in the international job market. Click the link in the description to register or enroll today. Your journey to becoming a borderless accountant starts here. Be part of our growing community and never miss important updates, trainings, tips, and opportunities. Follow our TikTok page. Follow our Facebook page. Join our Facebook community. Connect through Telegram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you'll never miss our next training session. See you in the next video. Borderless Accountants. Skills without borders. Careers without limits.